still here, and we still get plenty things to talk about this morning. Our guest today with us inside studio, Oga Oshikode, bros. This one we want to talk now. We don't say Wahala Day. Things go red.
Just in a Wahala.
Things go red.
Good news for some people.
Yeah, now good news for some people. Oh. Okay, we'll go break them down. Sharply, they don't talk and say the Minister of Labour say make doctors, may they get some kind of agreement with federal government, may they sign paper before they come out. May not be like say, because they can't realize that some of them they jackpot. As things they share, they don't want to stay here again to work because of how the working environment they do for them. So the Minister of Labour and Employment, Oga Chris Ngige, don't talk. Say they propose this one for medical personnel, and including all the doctors. Then say they train them, make government train, make them serve the country for at least 9 years before they come.
Remember, say clause day for waiting. Sorry, some kind things day for waiting input. We be say I don't know how balanced that day because in talk say government they train them for free. You understand? Say elsewhere for other countries, you pay so much to attend medical school. I only ask whether medical school for Nigeria are free. You know, I don't know. It good make people call us when they tell us. I mean, it good make we'll get analysts here for us. You go help us explain.
Any doctor with government train for free.
Say, that's what I got talk. I mean, should we hear that report? And so you talk. Say, so for other countries, it is more expensive.
When we shook our eye for these things, you will fit strike a balance to waiting it talk. Although now propose.
Now propose, yes.
Now when we look at critically now, where it come from, some people might not like them. But if you check them again from the other side, you'll be like, say, they won't make more sense. When you say free, not really means say absolutely free. You say compared to other countries then, the reason why you say medical doctors, they're few, now because of say that they pay as much as $40,000 in a section
for medical school.
If you go places like Edinburgh, they pay as far as $80,000 for some place now like £15,000.
So that makes some people they take loans.
So now
to go school.
a lot of people they use loan till they go schools. He said, but if you come Nigeria, if you just check Nigeria 40K, you don't run the full section finish. So based on that make a call they say it's almost free for Nigeria. So if you don't do and finish, you're not the waste time, you don't the one run. The brain drain now call this so high. But where me I go for punction now be say the same man I still come out some years back out say Nigeria get enough. So we they give the world.
So if they won't go, make them go.
The same you now they come now they say they must sign a bond. But come to think about it, so far person they pay 5 kobo for something. Then you know go fit hold them again now. Waiting is supposed to stress on now how we go to strengthen our institution to make sure say these people that they pay them well, they get a better working condition to make life bearable for them. I believe say nobody like to just jackpot come from a country say if they go hustle for where you be like a second class citizen. You know they get benefit to some certain things for years. Nobody like them now. So waiting Oga Ngige support the stress on. Now our government go to make doctors or that in foreign land, you know, say doctors, police, they're not use them play at all. They take care of them well. So I believe they support the strengthening their own first, not be to talk say you can't sign one thing, sign with it.
Okay, so one major thing we don't happen, one reaction where a lot of people don't get as Oga Ngige come out talk this one. Now the fact say even them will be political office holders, most of them, I mean large percentage of them, they patronize foreign hospitals,
medical
more
care.
like. So they always go for medical tourism,
yeah.
as it is. So okay, so people come to talk say, why tell Nigerian doctors say they must sign a bond to serve for 9 years before jackpotting? So why on our way be say on a be political office holders no also sign a bond say for the tenure one a good day for office on a must patronize on a country medical facilities. How you see that kind of statement maybe say people do?
Waiting it talk don't already be contradiction. Immediately it talk because
how
you don't explain everything now. Where they go now, they don't sign bond, they don't date the country. Where treatment don't come, when now be the VIPs who now go outside, it make any sense at the end of the day.
Well, as the matter be now, you've been talking something earlier about the fact say if person don't pay small thing for anything, which means say you no get any right to tell them how
Of course, you don't collect money.
Because looking at wetin Oga Ngige talk now, he say it's almost free. We know it is not free.
I be read
Almost
them,
is not free.
critically. I take my time, make I really go look in between the line. Whether government get any scheme where they take
Where
they
they
give
empower
some certain medical
yes.
practitioners or doctors for absolutely free. The way our papa time be where they give them scholarship.
Yes.
I can't they go try to check critically to want know whether maybe based on that now it take talk this word.
Yes.
It dey bold to talk am. But I searched and searched and searched. Apart from some private entities where you just give scholarship to one or two persons, some companies, some multinationals.
Yeah. But as government
never give nothing. The last time it happened like that now, early 80s. So it's not there like
So
that.
based on all this,
So based on that, I don't know. Sometimes if they say comedian, best comedy award, it's not supposed to be all the comedy. Some of all these are politicians and they support the winner.
Okay, so based on all these ones where you talk now, assuming say that kind of law can't take effect, how you see them being successful? Assuming no, you know say na proposing propose.
Yeah, assuming say
this proposing when propose can't happen.
Yes, make we quite agree say okay. During the time of the defense now, the Senate quite agree say okay. This thing makes sense, so make it skate through like this. Then you don't bridge your citizen fundamental human right again.
True.
Because you not go feel old somebody saying you must work here. When it be say not be you fund them go school now. He they entitled to just wake up to say he want to do his masters there.
Yeah.
You want to stop him. When he go there now go do his masters, he not come back. What you do at the end of the day? You want to no, so long as you are now a medical practitioner, you must sign. Once you sign finish, you not get the right to cross Nigeria again. You don't make somebody they side which name that they call this the penitentiary. You don't hold them now, say you not fit come up from Nigeria.
Yeah.
You don't they turn dictatorship gradually. When they practice democracy again now. You know, you get some kind of word we not really follow. I think they should look for a way around it. They say where the carcass they now, there the vulture they go.
Yeah.
By the time you make the place a heaven for the medical practitioner, they not go anywhere now. They go there where they
Okay, so now what you identify as the real problem when make the
not the real problem. Not go tackle what they top and whereas you never even check the one where they inside your pocket. May they just make the place nice. They go stay. A lot of people not even get that kind of privilege. And Pepe, get one of my friends for Port Harcourt, very sound. Very sound. He don't get that kind of money to go now. If they make you a good, you won't go anywhere. Crowd still they will go stay. May they leave the few ones we go now like 5% even go safe. Like 95% still they this Nigeria. And those 95 they also to go to. So may they make a good. Those 95 not going to think and still only 5% go they go.
say that they also to go.
Yes, now if they get space they'll discharge immediately.
Looking at the conversation where Oga Chris Ngige talk, it make him seem like say now the responsibility or the fault of the doctors where they come out.
Of course, it's clear like that.
They
That's
look
so
am
make
from
am
that
be
perspective.
now.
Saying that the fault of them, everything is okay here. Why are they leaving? And the doctors is clear. We they see them, we they go strike every now and then. Doctors they talk this one they happen. So looking at the situation, you don't talk saying that for them to arrange the working environment. Now any other role they way the doctors
where
play.
Where in Ngige anger I feel say they come from now still the way government see they subsidize the fees, school fees. Seriously they subsidize them because schools not fit fund themselves. Universities not fit fund themselves. Okay. If they give autonomy to universities now, trust me, our school fees, everything will go up. A lot of people no go school again.
Yeah.
Trust me, now so it will be. That are waiting. If we want to go to true federalism, where now? Only school go generate their funds. Only they go take care of themselves. If you go places like America, you go see where the parents they get strong say for school.
Yeah.
Then they come say they don't want this principal.
Yeah.
Because of why? Now the community they fund the school. Nothing concern government.
True.
So that's why you see schools for there. Although government still get the way their citizens that they see they run them. But the system for Nigeria they've twisted. They not go feel happen like that. So in Ngige anger they come from say if they look foreign standard when it be say schools they fund itself. So because of that one now the fees they very high. But for Nigeria government see they subsidize a lot. It's just be like the petroleum subsidy.
The-
For schools too, now so it's keeping
but
the
you-
government they pay now.
but-
You see the problem with the IPPS, God those things.
the
And
thing
because
with
now
the-
government still they
It
push.
good make we put things into right perspective. If governments, if schools for abroad, now parents or individuals they fund them. Remember,
the local-
remember, say for most countries, from primary to at least college level to secondary to high school, now free of charge.
You still
from
hear me
age
talk
0
that
to
would say,
16,
or-
now free, totally free. Nobody they pay
Although
one
the
naira.
system get the way they take care of it.
So,
Yes.
So if they're not
We-
train you from primary or nursery to you reach 16 years old, my dear brother, you not go pay for the rest if you won't go.
University not cheap abroad, sha.
That
one
is
no,
because they don't
no.
already give you
Very
the
expensive.
fundamental training for free.
That's why me I just say when it comes to the system, you're not gonna look the foreign system till the equate Nigeria on because now two different places entirely. We need to first of all work on our system. Everything still boils down to make the system work. Then every other thing will follow. So to me, I just feel say the box still end for government table.
True.
Thank you.
Because
Thank
they,
you.
they try push and go give the doctor say
Thank
because
you.
now they come out. Now why would they do like this?
Survivor, and everybody go.
Everybody gas run.
Na
Thank you.
survivor.
Thank you. In case you just join us, Ochuko or Miragwa, na public affairs analyst, you don't follow mouth, Chuku mouth for inside the talk we concern waiting Oga Chris and Ngige talk. Say, make doctors, they propose, say doctors them. Say, it be like say they go begin sign bond. Because after we train them, we no go fit train them finish. And I go work for other countries. They can't receive better money. Leave us, we train on her.
Oh, wow.
So you don't put mouth for the matter. Thank you, Ochuko, as you follow us sit down
thank you.
for inside
Say
studio this
after we
morning.
train them, finish for free.
Is it the pain in there? Well. All right, the Good Morning Naija show, they continue. We could take small break when they come back. Remember, say business and another guest still, they stay with us.